Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video. Hi, my name is Frank Spector, medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. Today I got a question off my website from a potential client that wanted to know, so how do you win a medical malpractice case? Before we get into this video, please hit that subscribe button so that you can take advantage of all of my videos, and it really helps me out a lot too. So client asked me, how do you win a medical malpractice case? Very good question. So let's talk about the two ways that you can win and how they're just a little bit different. And I have some other videos on settlement and jury trial, and that's what I'm going to be talking about today. And I'm going to put links to those videos below. So let's start with the most clear definition of winning a medical malpractice case. So winning with a medical malpractice case outright would be going to court on a trial date, presenting all of the evidence before a jury, having a jury go back, do their deliberations, and come back and find that the doctor was negligent, that the doctor did cause your injury, and to award you the appropriate money. That would be an out-and-out win. Why is that? Well, because that would be a statement that the doctor did in fact commit medical malpractice. It is an open proceeding, which means the verdict sheet will be part of the court file forever. And that will always be a record of the fact that a doctor was found to have committed medical malpractice. And that would be what we call an outright win. Now, the second way that you can win a case is by settling. Now, settling means that you don't go to court. You don't present your case before a jury. A settlement is when the parties get together and exchange information, exchange numbers back and forth, sometimes with the help of a mediator, person who's a third party neutral, which means they have no stake in the outcome. They help people try to facilitate settlements. But in any event, in a settlement, what happens is that eventually you will come to an agreement as to the amount of money that you're willing to take to make the case over, bring finality to the case. Now, is that a win? Well, it depends how you define it. A settlement certainly, in my view, is a win, because if we're able to get a doctor or hospital to pay you the money that you are looking for to compensate you for your injuries, well, we feel like we've done our job. One bit of caution. A settlement is not an outright win like a jury trial. What do I mean by that? I mean that in a settlement, there will be no admission of liability. And that's the legal term for an admission that there was medical malpractice. Because in the settlement papers that follow, there will be an exchange of money. The case will be over, but the settlement documents will say that the doctors and hospital do not admit liability. They are just resolving a piece of litigation where both sides disagree. And I've had clients that tell me, well, that doesn't sound like a win because I wanted an admission. Well, with a settlement, unfortunately, that's not something that I'm going to be able to do for you. And no lawyer can do that for you because that's not what a settlement is. So that's part of your decision-making process. If you want a jury to hear the case and to come back with a validation on your behalf that there was medical malpractice, then maybe the settlement route's not for you. Maybe the jury trial route is for you, where you can present your full case and get the satisfaction that you deserve. So, when you talk about a win, even though I have my own definitions of what a win is in a case, that's not the most important. The most important is, what's your definition of a win? And so I provided to you with the two ways that a medical malpractice can be won. I hope you found this informative. I hope you're able to watch this video. And if you're in a situation where you have to make this tough decision, maybe this video will help you in that decision-making process. Thanks again for watching this video. Again, please hit that subscribe button so that you can take advantage of all of my videos. And I look forward to seeing you again on a future video. Take care.